Welcome to PrepareNext.com. We offer you job details. Synopsys is recruiting intern for technical engineering for this year in Bengaluru. Any graduate can apply for the job. Roles and responsibilities for the job are own solution product post, release activities and provide appropriate support for the engineering team. Determine the patch release needs, drive convergence action for branches that been launched and maintain stability. Support various product releases qualification processes. Identify process improvement for the release branches. Monitor and report on the activities of the release branch qualification. Apply mode is online. Click here to apply online. Stay tuned for upcoming updates. For more info, visit PrepareNext.com.